Assalamualaikum everyone! So this is Rasna again, and for today's video po ay magtatagalog na ako kasi medyo nahirapan ako nung first vlog ko. Medyo dumugo din po yung ilong ko, nag-nosebleed ako. So for today's video, box po tayo ng microwave oven. Order ko galing noon kasi sale po siya. So medyo mura. At since kailangan din namin ng microwave, in-order ko po siya, and then naisip ko why not na i-video siya para din sa mga gustong bumili ng microwave na mga OFW, at least OFW para sa mga overseas Filipino workers na nandito rin sa Saudi Arabia at gustong bumili ng microwave oven. So at least meron po kayong idea dito sa oven na binili ko. So, ayun. Ang Noon po pala is, ang Noon website is para po siyang Lazada or Shopee ng Pilipinas. So, para po sa mga viewers natin na hindi alam kung ano yung Noon. So, yun po. Doon po kami nag-order online, aside from Amazon. So, kung may mga gusto po kaming items or may hinahanap kaming items na ayaw naming lumabas, pumunta ng mall. So, hinahanap lang po namin usually doon sa Noon or sa Amazon para for delivery na lang po siya dito sa kung saan kami nakatira. Ito pong microwave oven na binili ko is pang init lang po siya ng food. Pwede kang mag-defreeze at pwede rin pong mag-grill. So, usually, init lang po talaga ng food kasi minsan, pagod na po from work, tapos tamad nang magluto or ayaw nang lumabas. Kung gusto mong order naman online, ayaw mo nang maghintay. So, usually po talaga is most of the time, pag after work, gutom po talaga. So, nakaka-relate siguro out there yung mga working people din, kapag after work, gutom, so kailangan may pagkain. So, in my case, nagluluto na po ako minsan ng maramihan, tapos fini-freeze ko lang yung food sa freezer, and then dinidefreeze ko na lang kung gusto ko na siyang kainin. So, ganun po talaga yung life ng mga malalayo sa family, mga mag-isa. So, enough drama. Simulan na po natin yung unboxing natin ng microwave oven. Let's go. Okay. Yeah. So, yan na po yung box. Ito yung box. I don't think so. Max, let's see. Ito ba? Ito na siya. Ang laki. Ano ka ba siya? So, nailabas ko na po siya from the box. Ito na po siya. Ginaya rin ang powers ko. Sweet lang. So, this is the microwave after plugging in. We will press this to open it. And this is what inside inside it. I already put the glass ruler and the turntable glass. And it has this small metal rack for grilling. This is the user manual, and these are the part names of the microwave oven. So again, the brand is Noon East and it is called Digital Grill Microwave. Moment of purchase, it is worth 269 SR, which is like 3,400 more or less PHP, or 3,400 pesos. So this is just actually what I need just to reheat the food. So when I press this, so it works, and it's like the fan inside is working also. I can feel here. It says there that it will not overheat. So, okay. 7, 6. So it has this light there. Maybe in the future, I will try grilling something here, maybe chicken, and it has defrost, so maybe chicken also. I don't know how to use this yet, but I think if you want to use the seconds for reheating, maybe this is for reheating also. Let's see. Oh, okay, you can control from here and press start. Why it doesn't? I don't know. Wait. Start. Ah, okay. So maybe we can also bake something here, I'm not sure. Works good, works fine. I think I like it. So, ayun po, okay na siya. Na-try na rin po, gumagana siya. And so far, alhamdulillah, hindi na ako mahihirapan mag-init ng food. Hindi na ako kakain ng malamig. Ito lang po yung video natin. Thank you for watching, kahit na medyo wala siyang kwenta. Thank you for watching pa rin, and inshallah, see you in my next video. Assalamualaikum.